George Wilson II has built the largest estate practice in Naples, Florida. To put that in perspective, Andy's husband works in a city with the sixth highest per capita income in America. In 35 years, George's 7-attorney firm of Wilson & Johnson has developed a client base of over 2,500 families. 500 of those have a net worth of $10 million or greater. 1,000 of those families are worth $5 to $10 million. His largest client has a net worth of $500 million. George is an expert in the areas of estate and tax planning, charitable giving, and trust and estate administration, with some very visible clients, including Ndamukong Suh, the highest paid defensive player in the history of the National Football League. The distinguished graduate in Toledo law for 2019 even had his son Tyler, a computer programmer, develop a plan that showed that it made the most sense from a tax perspective for the former Detroit Lion to sign with the Miami Dolphins. After graduating with honors with a degree in economics from the University of Cincinnati, Whitney's dad came to our law school and got some great advice from faculty member Jerry Moran, who told the Cincinnati native that if he really wanted to be successful in estate planning, he needed to work for a firm specializing in the field. Tyler, Whitney, and Sean's father graduated from Toledo in 1980. He went south to the University of Miami and completed a Master of Law degree in estate planning 1 year later. George had a job lined up with a law firm back in Cincinnati when he decided to take the Florida bar exam, but was broke. Unemployed and $25,000 in debt from college, he drove to Naples, found a phone book, and started cold calling law firms. He was hired by Cummings & Lockwood at $10 an hour. He stayed with them for 15 years before becoming the managing partner of Wilson & Johnson in 1996. One of the best things George managed was marrying Andy last year. He had been divorced for a decade when a mutual friend suggested he meet a woman whose husband had passed away. The wedding was attended by George's dad, 9 decades young, and his sister Jean, who also graduated from our College of Law in 1984. When Andy is able to get him out of the office, George is also the author of a multi-volume treatise titled Estate and Personal Finance Planning. The couple loves to take advantage of Florida's weather and water. George Wilson has taken advantage of skills honed at the University of Toledo to become one of the most successful estate planners in the United States. He's the College of Law's choice as its distinguished graduate.